weight in the market. And I want to clarify that the digital identity we are talking about is not the same thing as the Huduma number, both in terms of objective and context. What we are saying today is that we need a virtual means through which government can confirm that you are whom you claim to be. And if the answer is in the affirmative, then Kenyans can consume government services from the comfort of wherever they are, without physically visiting government services, informed by one's biodata. And that is the direction that we are going, to have a digital identity for all Kenyans. Let me also clarify that when it comes to pass, we will not force any Kenyan to take a digital identity. No. The onus will be on you to decide whether or not you want to consume government services through your digital identity based on your biodata, or you want to physically visit government offices.